Welcome to all of you. Today, the start will be the class Rasika Mahavidyalay Devni, Department of Botany, online class BACSY. Myself, Dr. V.S. Chedge. They today discuss 2 point very important to the glandular tissue. What is meant by glandular tissue? The glandular occurring externally on the plant organ as an outer growth. It is called as a external glands. These are the two types. One upon the external and internal glands. They already discussed to the glandular tissue. The type of first type external glands, the external plant body organs. These one of the plant body organs, that is the external gland outer growth, are called as a external glands. The common external glands, it is such as 4 types. The external glands is 4 types. One by one discuss the discussion to the point. The glandular hairs, the staining hairs, digestive glands, and nectar glands. They one by one study by one by one. The first, the beautiful pictures of the leaf dorsal showing glandular hairs. Clearly that the glandular hairs, this show that pictures. That is the leaf dorsal. It is the glandular hairs. The small like hair like structure is the glittering drops, and small rounded structures is the hair like structures is the end point, that is the glittering drops, and they like structures, hair like structures is the glandular hairs. Then what is meant by glandular hairs? They are present on epidermal regions as an outer growth. They are uncellular and multicellular, thick walled, the living and with is the disconnect nucleus. That is the living and disconnect is the nucleus. The multicellular, not a single cell and unicells. That is the multicells are formed to the glandular hairs. This one, the figure's name, that is the next type, staining hairs. Then what is meant by staining hairs? They are stiff and uncellular, sullen at the base. These are like a hair-like structures. The discuss to the glandular hairs. The next type, staining hairs. Second type is the staining hairs. Is the shallow based on contains the poisonous irrigating and substance which is the disconnect of the nucleus. These are the staining hairs, means disconnect of the nucleus. Then next, they hairs after they contact with the progeny bodies. What is meant by progeny bodies? That is the round color. Show that the pictures, round color is a hair like small structures, that is the sporogenic body. The sharp is the tip point, the hair get threads, the body skin. That is the body skin is a skin and irrigating substance rush into the skin, the causes of the irrigations. These are the hair with a very common epidermis, that is the pant like mucuna and urtica. That is the one like a plant example. They show that the staining hairs. What is meant by staining hairs? That just discuss. These like structures of the bee structures, staining, that is one naked body are presented, that is the elongated of the hair. These number of structures is the collectors, non-glandular seed hairs, and non-glandular multicellular plates, glandular hairs. The number of show that the pictures, but a corner like structures, that is the staining hairs. The very importance of the staining hairs. Third one, digestive glands, digestive glands. What is meant by digestive glands? Then that is they show that the pictures drop secrety by the secrety cells. The gap of the ear-like structures is a drop secreted by the secret inner cells. And next, the internal part of the tracheids are present. These structures of tracheids are present, and right side is the tracheids are present. Then the next step, vascular bundles. They clear that show that the pictures in the diagrams, they drop vascular bundles, this one. Then the present of the layer of secreted cells, endodermis. This one, layer of the secreted cells in the present of the endodermis. The C1 diagram, a digestive gland of the Drosera, this plant. The digestive gland are small globular and red in colors. A digestive gland is a composite with layer, secrety cells and epidermis and terminus and vascular supply. This is the vascular supply of the endodermis. This is the digestive glands, and the cells have secrety layers. The digestivity, just juice connecting the digestive enzymes. They form to the juice connecting the form of the enzymes. The veins of the plant digestive, the gland are called as a Sudan plants in the dorsals. This Sudan plant is a dorsals is a plant name. The glands are very common. The insectative plants like a dosa and a Nepentholus etc. The number of plants of the digestive glands. The fourth one, last one type of external glands, the nectary glands. The nectary glands show that the flowering body of the Cathium inflorescence of the Euphorbia family, that is the Euphorbiaceae family. The form of Euphorbiaceae family, they show like D diagram. The young male flowers are present to the flowering body. Then nectar glands are these show that they look like a diagram, that is the nectar glands, and old female flowers and inhalers, catharans inflorescence of the Euphorbia. This one, A to D is a type of external glands. This one, next point, these are the facial gland of the nectar sugary, the substance, it is called as a honey-like. That is a honey-like structures. Then is a very common of the Euphorbia. These are honey-like structure, sugary and substance, and it is called as a honey-like structures is a Euphorbiaceae family and Euphorbia plant. They are nectary glands. This is the develop to the yellowish cup-like structure are present to the plant flowering body. Then outer surface, the inhalers of the Canthium inflorescence. This one, the gland is a composite of the longitudinal plasmids like a layer of secrety cells, dense cytoplasmic, different nucleus, presence of the nectary glands in the flower, adaptations for the attractions, then insecticides for the pollinations. These cells are presented to the insecticide attractions, then these form to the pollinizations. Then second type, glandular tissue is the first type is the external and internal glands. The next second type is the internal glands. They presented by the three types of the common in internal glands. The hedathodas, this is a oily gland, reaching duct, then hedathoda. This one, the occurring the internal in the plant body, it is called as a internal glands. This one the plant body. This the first plant body is common is contains the oily glands. Then what is oily glands? They composites many layered in the world, the living secrety cells and central cavity. The secrety cells is a secret is a violet oil the store by the central cavity. This is the present of the oily gland is the central cavity. The oil glands is a spirally in the outer line. They are very common membrane, Rutaceae, Asteraceae and Apiaceae. This family is presented to the oily glands. These like a oil mover than presented to the oily glands. That is the oil like seed. It is the form to the produced to the oily glands. Then next one second type region duct. The region ducts is the region steering glands. They are presented in the form of the longitudinal canals. They passing from root stem through the cortical and pith regions. Cortical and pith regions are presented to the region ducts. The region ducts are very important to the flowering, developed to the flowering. That is the presented in the pith regions of a flowering part. The duct are the very common and gymnosperms. That is the gymnosperm is a non-flowering plant. That is the very common is a duct are presented. Each duct is surrounding by one or two layer security cells, which is the security resins. Then resins is the secretion directly poured into the central cavity. That is the central cavity. This one hyphothodi. These hyphothodi is the internal glands. That is one of the one by one figure discussed. They are presented to the endodermis are water in a stomata. Presented to the water in a stomata. Then second one layer substomatal chamber are presented. This clear that pictures. The epithelium are presented. Vascular ending are presented. Then vascular tissue of the lip are presented and lip of epithelium. This structure is a lip of epithelium. This structures of hyphothodi. This hyphothodi is the next TS of structures in a cycus. This one the globulus are presented dotted in the diagram is present to the graph is a flat globulus. Then protein granulars are presented is a small the number of contents are present internal part is a protein granulars are present. Then next one these last step cavity of glands. The presented is the chamber like structures is a small protein granulars is attached to the cavity glands. This show that the picture TS mean transverse sections of the secretion gland in the cycus. This one these resins are secreting glands. This is the present to the resin duct. This is the internal part. Tracheids are presented. Security cells are presented. They look like a diagram. That is the globus regions are presented. Resin duct are presented. This type of internal glands. This one type of internal glands. It is also called as a water stomata. They are generally found in the grass leaves along with the margins and phalanx. They in the form of the cariculars dispersions. They are specially organs through the which exudations the water mixed with the salt take place. Thank you very much. Any problem to ask me and discuss to the discussion to the and any questions, any problems, any doubts, they clear that the in the same lectures they present to the all students in a class. Otherwise not examination to the solve to the questions. Please attend to the class. Any problem to the ask me. Thank you very much.